We are also going to be doing a high idle switch on this truck. It's going to be very nice. It's actually going to mount down by the OBD port on this bracket and allow you to change the idle with the turn of a knob. This high idle kit's real neat because you just pull down the upfitter switch bundle, unplug it, and then you plug in the new plug, and it gives you everything you need for your high idle. All right there, easy peasy. I figure I'd pop in right now and show you guys this little trick that I've developed over the last year or so. Basically, I take a piece of 12 gauge wire. You can bend this. I usually bend it or tape it, whatever. This time I just bent it around the connector and fished the stiff wire through the truck so I wouldn't have to disassemble everything in order to route this wire. This is going to be your high idle switch over here. I'll show you guys that when it's done, and that's going to plug up on the other side. So this is how the high idle turned out. This is the new wave. This is the way to do it. Basically, as you saw on the other side, we routed and plugged in our wire. Here's the switch right here. Once this emergency brake is only depressed slightly enough just to get the brake light to turn on, start the vehicle and put one foot on the brake, fire it up. And this switch should allow the idle. Just by turning the switch, you hear the idle going up. And you can select any speed that you want. And as soon as the switch is released, or that's the hood, I'm sorry, the idle kicks back down. And as soon as you want the idle to kick back up, based on where you left the switch, you just hit it again and it should kick back up. And this kit comes from BD Diesel, so if you're interested in this kit, check them out. BD Diesel. There's a, I don't know, but if you want this kit, BD Diesel.